Hey boys and girls, this is lesson 113. Today we are going to be creating and reading a bar graph with a scale of 2. So you will need your workbook page out. It is lesson worksheet 113 or page number 547. So we're going to be looking at some pennies. Now, if we were in class, I'd have you all have a penny so you can look at it. But I don't know if you can see this. On this penny here, there is a date. And that date says 2002, I believe. 2002. And that's called the mint. It was minted in 2002. Means it was, it's like its birthday. It was born in 2002. So what I did is I took 20 pennies and I looked at those 20 pennies. And I looked at when it was born or when it was minted. So if you want to go ahead and get your pencil out right now. And what I did first of all was I looked at each one and I made a tally mark. So if you look, before 1980, so this was before Mrs. Meyer was born, before 1980, I had 5 of those pennies. Okay, so then between 1980 and 1984, I found 2 of these pennies. So put 2 in the box. Between 1985 and 1989, I found 3 pennies that had those dates on it. 1990 to 1994, there were also 3 of those pennies. From 1995 to 1999, there were 2 pennies. From 2000 to 2004, there was 1 penny. In 2005 to now, so I mean 2020, there were 4 pennies. Okay, so we have our data. Now we have to fill in our bar graph. So you notice that it's going 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so forth. So if I have 5, where do you think 5 is going to go? You got it, right in between 4 and 5, or 4 and 6 rather. So then I'm going to shade that in. Okay, the next one is 2. So that would go right there. I would fill in 1 square. 1985 to 1989, there were 3. So 3 would go in between 2 and 4. In 1990 to 1994, there were also 3 of them. From 1995 to 1999, there were 2 of them. From 2000 to 2004, there was 1. So I need to take this box and I need to split it. And then present day, 2005 to now, was 4. So I would need to fill in 2 boxes. And there is our graph. Now we have a few questions we need to answer. How many pennies were minted, so born, in the year 1985 through 1989? So I need to look at 1985, which is here, through 1989. So that would be right here. And I know there were 3. How many pennies were minted after 1989? So I need to find 1989 is right here. So anything here on over would be after. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pennies. Because 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which column has the most pennies? Well, the most pennies would be 5, and that would be before 1980. And there you go. There is our graph of our pennies. I'll see you in a little bit for 113A. Bye.